capo 1, and we're gonna go from the top of the chorus. We're just doing the chorus, okay? So we're doing E shape on the. So if I'm counting this as a fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8th fret, you're gonna play an E chord. Okay, so that's your E. Holy, Holy Spirit, reign. And then D over E is just a whole step down. So whole step down is 1, 2. That's a whole step down. Okay, same position. I'm not changing anything. Rain down. You obviously know the A chord. Like again, how I told you the A chord, I play it with my 3 and 4 finger. So I can transition to F sharp minor 7. F sharp minor 7 is just on the 2nd fret on that first dot, and it's so that's F sharp minor 7, and then E over G sharp is just a whole step up. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's E over G sharp. Same progression. And then back to A. And then you're gonna go to your B. I know it says B suspended 4, but you're just gonna play. That's mostly for the keys. So you're just gonna play your B chord. Okay. So once you have your B chord, there's then you're gonna go back to Holy Spirit rain down. And then let your power, this is the second part of the chorus, let your power, E over B, which is gonna just be your E or your B chord. Yep. Let your power fall. Let your voice, it's a C diminish. Hold on for a second. Let your voice be heard. Okay, all you're moving is just your index finger. From B, E over B, C diminish. Okay, one more time. E over B, C diminish. Come and change our hearts. C sharp minor 7 is just a whole step up from B, E over B. So here's E over B, and here's C sharp minor 7. Okay, so it's just a whole step up. And then you're gonna go back down to, as we stand on your word, back to C sharp or C diminished. Okay, so here's that whole part. Holy Spirit, rain down, rain down. Let your power fall. C diminish. Come and change our hearts. C sharp minor 7. Back to it. That's it.
All right, thanks, Sam.
Of course.
Sam Volaka, everybody. Yeah. Man.